How to log out of WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now search for WhatsApp. Then tap on WhatsApp. Now click on force stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now simply go back. Simply tap on uninstall. Again tap on OK. Now go to the Play Store. Tap on the search icon and type WhatsApp. Then tap on search and simply install WhatsApp. Now this is the only possible way to log out of your account on WhatsApp. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.